Hi, everyone. I've got a best 25-inch to share today that's just too good to keep to myself. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First off, the build quality. It's sleek, modern, and just screams high-end quality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. And the price? Let's just say it's a total win. It's affordable without skimping on quality. High-end features for less. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It shines in so many different ways. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable and efficient. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch: stock is moving fast. Check the link in the description for all the details. Follow for more cool updates. See you soon.